whites, transcendent and timeless. Today, Davies will show you the different shades of white that will be best for your spaces. When finding the right shade of white, observe the difference between levels of brightness and undertones. Warm whites have undertones of yellow and red that is perfect for an inviting, cozy vibe in your living rooms and bedrooms. Cool whites have undertones of blue, green, and gray, making kitchen and dining rooms look crisp, clean, and luminous. Laying a range of white and off-white paint colors is one way to create fresh and elegant look in your spaces. If you want more ideas on how to choose the perfect color for your own living space, like and subscribe to our pages, or visit our website at www.daviespaints.com.ph.